Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes power options grayed out and managed by your administrator fixed. First method is change group policy settings. Second method is delete registry entries. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.